And the heat is spread over here. Oh wow, and also the front panel is quite hot as well, so both ends are hot. Wow, okay. Oh wow, that's bad. That's bad. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janos, creator of Pinoy Techdad. Today we have the Poco X2 right here with us. Big shout out to Gadget Sidekick for this assist. This is his unit actually. I just borrowed it so I can showcase this to you guys. Anyway, again, this is the Poco X2 and this is actually just a rebranded Redmi K30. So I'm just gonna show you what's inside of the box and then why you should consider the Poco X2, even though it's been out for several months already. And unfortunately, this hasn't been released here in the Philippines yet, but hopefully we get this Poco X2 model right here in the Philippines because this is actually really great value for the mid-range. So right here we have the phone and it's the same colorway that I got to review way back a few months ago with the Redmi K30. And the only main difference now is that the branding right here is Poco instead of Redmi. And also you can see that there's a writing over here. It says designed by Poco, which is an absolute lie because this is originally designed by Redmi. So over here, again, this is not a local version of the Poco X2. Sir Richmond Tan of Gadget Sidekick actually imported this from India. So he bought this from Flipkart. So I guess this is the typical charger for the Indian region. So it's quite hefty, it's quite big. And by the way, this is a 27-watt fast charger. Moving on, we also have a USB Type-C cable right here. Also, I forgot, we do have a free jelly case. So this is the free jelly case that you get with the Poco X2. It has a cover for your USB Type-C port. So it's pretty much the same phone, just with a global version of the software. So you have the Google Assistant here. You can see that. If you want to see a review of this, I have a review up here of the Redmi K30, which is again the same phone. It's just a rebranded Redmi K30, and there's nothing bad about that because this is a really capable mid-range phone, and I'll be showing you some camera samples of this as well. So what do you guys think? I think the camera is still really good. I mean, it's as good as the Redmi K30. It's basically just the Redmi K30's camera. It's powered by Sony's IMX686 sensor. You can expect a lot of good photos from this. Now, the photos will just come out a little bit saturated, but you can adjust that. So I have no issues with that as long as the photos come out sharp. Over here at the refresh rate, you can see that it has a 120 Hertz option and a 60 Hertz option. So if you want to save battery life, go ahead and switch to 60 Hertz, but I actually prefer the 120 Hertz screen refresh rate. So here's a quick sample of a 1080p 60 frames per second video. It's really nice. All right, so this is not an AMOLED screen, but check out the video quality you can get from this. I'm not sure if I can replicate it through this camera of mine, but in person it looks really good. But let's do a quick side-by-side with the Mi 10 Pro so you guys can see the difference between AMOLED and an LCD display. So here's a quick display comparison between an AMOLED screen of the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro and the Poco X2 LCD display. Not bad, right? I mean, at times it looks like the LCD screen's color is what I prefer actually. By the way, they're both at full brightness here. So yeah, that's the Poco X2 for you. Even though this is just an IPS LCD screen and not an AMOLED screen, it looks really good. Anyway, let me just show you a few gaming tests and then let's talk about why you should consider this. So as promised, here's a quick gaming sample using the Redmi K30, or I'm sorry, using the Poco X2. I guess we can switch to very high and then we get very high frame rates. So let's go ahead and check this out, how this performs. What the heck? How did that happen? Knife kill. That's my favorite, guys. Knife kill. Oh my god. What the heck? Okay, that was bad. Anyway guys, after a few minutes of playing with the Poco X2 set at very high graphics, I noticed that the back panel is really heating up. It's quite hot. So I guess that is one downside that you should note with the Poco X2. And the heat is spread over here. Oh wow, and also the front panel is quite hot as well. So both ends are hot. Wow, okay. Oh wow, that's bad. That's bad. Okay. So that's one thing you should consider. It gets hot when you're gaming. And it's not something you can easily ignore because you can feel it. You can definitely feel that. It's very warm. I mean, if you're a gamer, you're not gonna enjoy this. You're not gonna enjoy the heat at the back panel, especially if you're holding it like this. Hopefully it's just my room temperature because it's quite hot. I don't have any fans turned on, but this shouldn't be the case. Anyway, let's move on to my final thoughts on this. I don't remember my Redmi K30 heating up as much as this, but the heat that I had with this while playing Call of Duty Mobile for a few minutes is a little bit concerning, especially if you're a gamer who likes to play for prolonged hours. You're not gonna be enjoying your time with this if it heats up like that. Unfortunately, I don't have much time with this Poco X2 as I have to return it. But yeah, this is not something that I would highly recommend if you game for prolonged hours. But if you're gonna use this for your daily task, like if you just want to take photos, if you just want to browse through social media, you want to watch movies or whatnot, this is a great option actually. It has a 120Hz screen refresh rate, so you're gonna enjoy that if you want a smoother experience with your phone. Of course, it has a Snapdragon 730G. I keep repeating that, but the Snapdragon 730G is very capable when it comes to performance. The camera, of course, this is powered by Sony's IMX686 sensor, so that's really good as well. You can shoot 4K 30 frames per second. If you're really hell-bent on getting the Poco X2 or the Redmi K30, if you plan on gaming on this for prolonged hours, I suggest you get a cooler. You have coolers from FlyDG, coolers from Black Shark, and other brands out there, so you should try that out if you're gonna get the Poco X2 and you plan on gaming or streaming games on this. But again, yeah, for around $315, this is a great mid-range phone. It has a great camera, it has a very good display, and it has a very capable processor as well. Anyway, if you want a more detailed review on the Poco X2, go ahead and check out Tech Reviews and SideKick's YouTube channel, because I believe they actually discussed this in detail. But for me, I just wanted to breeze through this review because I've already covered this with my review on the Redmi K30. And there's really no substantial changes that happened with the Poco X2 compared to the Redmi K30. It's just the complete rebranding over here and over here, and as well as with the box. So that's it. There's really nothing different between the Redmi K30 and the Poco X2 when it comes to the physical design. The only main difference is with the software that comes with it. Again, the Poco X2 is the global version of the Redmi K30, so you have pre-installed Google Play Store here, and of course additional languages as well. That's gonna be it for my quick review, or maybe you can call this a quick recap of the Poco X2, because we've already covered this with the Redmi K30, and I think it's still a really good phone. But again, you have to be warned that this back panel will really heat up if you play AAA games for prolonged hours. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button so you can watch more videos like this in the future. That's it for today, guys. Keep safe and have a great day.